Hello, hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, I am making my smoothie this morning. For those of you who do not know, I am on a healthy journey to just becoming overall healthier. I am trying to get my blood pressure numbers down, cholesterol numbers, everything. I just want to be at a healthier point in my life. So, something that I've been including more frequently is smoothies. So, today I'm doing one. I've been wanting to do this video, but I had to get everything together, and it's just, takes a little time when you want to show somebody what to do, and you're not an expert at it yourself. So today I have what I'm putting in my smoothie is some blueberries. Wait, that's the strawberries. We'll start with the strawberries, and these came from Publix. And when you open the bag, you can just smell them. Look how red they are. So I've had other strawberries, another brand, and they're not as ripe. And it makes a difference in your smoothie. It really does. So we're going to put a few strawberries in here. And the strawberries have a lot of vitamin C in it. I have my notes here because I didn't want to forget anything. But they have a lot of vitamin C, antioxidants, which is good for your overall health. Cancer, diabetes, stroke, heart disease, magnesium. A lot of times doctors want to just throw us on medication when we might be able to supplement some things with just adding more fruits and vegetables to our diet. So these strawberries look really good, okay? Then I'm going to have a few blueberries in there. Let me see, can I show you those? And I usually make a big batch of this, but it's going to be a smaller one today because I'm the only one having it. When I do have leftovers for my smoothies, I wanted to give you a tip. I just put it in a cup or something, a glass, and I put something over it like foil, and then I reuse it the next day. Put the old batch with the new batch because I usually make one, like I said, usually daily. And my nose is so itchy this morning. I have terrible allergies. So please forgive me. But let's talk about the benefits of blueberries really quick. So blueberries can help you with your overall health too. Bone strength, skin, make your skin prettier, your blood pressure, diabetes, cancer prevention, mental health. So 1 cup of blueberries has a daily allowance of vitamin C. So that's what helps us to not get sick. So I'm going to put a couple more in here. So my little smoothie is coming together. Now, I normally use spinach in my smoothies, but for some reason, I guess everybody's doing something with spinach because there was 0 spinach in the store. So I'm actually using broccoli. Have you ever put broccoli in your smoothie? I'm just curious. This is my first time. And some of the benefits of broccoli are the same thing with everything else. It's good for cancer, eye health, hormonal balance, and immune system, and much more because it's in the green family. So I'm going to put a little bit more. This is my first time putting spinach in my smoothie, so I don't know what that's going to taste like, y'all. So then I have banana. I'm going to go ahead and put a banana in there. I don't think I'm going to use this whole banana. I'm going to use half of it. But I like putting bananas in my smoothie because it adds a creaminess. And of course, bananas are full of nutrients too. It helps maintain your blood sugar. Now, if you're diabetic already, you might want to be careful with these sugars, okay? But most of these are lower glycemic and lower on your diabetes. I just know that because my parents were both diabetic. And these type of blueberries and strawberries are really good for you when it comes to berries and sugar levels, because it won't spike you like some stuff. Go make your sugar go woo, just go crazy. Okay. So anyway, so with the bananas though, some of the benefits are, we mentioned already, digestive health, help with losing weight, antioxidants also, and help maintain that blood sugar. Now, something I recently have been doing is adding peanut butter to my smoothie. Do you all put peanut butter in your smoothie? Let me know. I have to watch this because I know it's high in fat, but my niece just recently, everybody know I'm doing my journey, right? So my niece just turned me on to a powdered peanut butter. Once I actually buy it and taste it, then I will let you all know about it also. So I'm going to add a little water to this, so give me 1 second. Now, you can use almond milk, but I just don't like the taste of it when I put it in here. Some people use almond milk or yogurt So I'm trying to always keep my points down as less as possible. So I really don't mind putting water. I really don't. And it thickens up with the peanut butter and everything. So let me add a little water to it, and then we're going to blend it up. 1 second. I'm adding the water. And when I have smoothies, I don't know about you, but it actually does help me to stay fuller throughout the day. If I have my smoothie like right now, it's in the morning. It's around 9:30. This will take me almost till 2:30 unless somebody mentions food. Now, if somebody talking about lunch, I'm all in. But if it's just a regular day, I have my smoothie in the morning, I'm good to go. I really am. It'll last me quite a while and stay with me. So I'm going to blend this up really quick. For editing's sake, you're going to hear the blender for a minute, so bear with me. Okay, hold on. So I'm using a Ninja blender. I think I want to blend it some more because it looks a little thick. So hold on 1 second. All right, let's see what it looks like. It actually looks good. You can't tell that I have the, let me see. Seems like it needs something else, y'all. It's not sweet enough for me. Let me put the rest of the banana and a few more berries because it's just not sweet. Now, it's supposed to be healthy, so it's not supposed to be like ice cream. But it's just a little bitter. I don't know if it's the broccoli or not. Let's see. And the broccoli really doesn't have a taste to it. Now, this is nice and smooth since I added the banana. That's the finished product. I'm going to just pour it in here. Now, I'm going to drink it. It's still not as sweet as I would like it to be. That's a little thick, too. But that's okay for me, because I like to kind of take my time with it. I know some people like their smoothie where they can just kind of drink it almost like a shake. But I like it like this. It seems like it just takes me a little bit longer to enjoy it. And I think that probably helped me to feel more satisfied to drinking it a little slower. So this is the finished product. It's good. I like the peanut butter. Again, it's a little bit more bitter than I normally would. I could add some honey to it, but I don't want to add all that added sugar. So sometimes when you're doing your little journey, you know, you're not going to be able to have every single thing you want. I like to compare it like this. If I don't make certain choices and, you know, kind of withhold a few things now, and I just have anything and everything I think I want, later I'm not going to have a choice, you know? If I don't get some control over my health now, I won't be able to have any sugar later. So if I have to have a little bit less now, but still get the overall effect of what I'm trying to drink or make or whatever, I'm good with that. So I'm learning how to adjust my taste buds too. So this is my smoothie. Today we had blueberries, strawberries, broccoli, peanut butter, and banana. That's what's all in here. And I did still end up making extra. So this I will just put, like I said, in another glass and just save it for tomorrow and just refreshing it. So this was enough to make 2 cups. Let me show you really quick. So I actually had enough to make 2. There we go. So tomorrow I'll have the other one. Now these are pretty big. So anyway, but again, this is a meal replacement for me right now. So I just wanted to show you how I make my smoothies. I've been trying to do this for a minute. And again, today I used broccoli because they didn't have any spinach at the store. I couldn't believe it. The man couldn't either. I said, do y'all have any spinach? Any brand, organic, anything? He was like, no. So anyway, so I hope you guys are making smoothies. Let me know if you are, any tips that I can use to put in my smoothie. And until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Like, subscribe, and share. Okay, bye.